So today we got part one of the DIY porch here. We got 10 2x6s at 76 inches. I have 3 4x4s set 6 feet apart. So the total porch will be 79 by 12 feet. And I'm putting in these 3 poles here. I'm going to put the other 3 poles on the other side. Build the main frame out of this and those 12 footers right there. Just slip it right in there like that. And then once we got that down, over here I got a bunch of cedar wood planks for the top. So that's all cedar there. It's recycled. It was off the back of my parents' house. It was a 8 by 20 that we pulled off, and we got as many good pieces as we can, and we had to buy a few pieces. And so anyways, this is video 1 of the DIY porch here. It'll be a covered porch, obviously. So here I am, part 2. I've got all the poles in. I've put my 2x6s in. They're 16 inches. Around here, and we're pretty close to level. We're pretty close to square. It's not ideal, but it'll work. So I got that. We recycled some stairs off of another thing. It's a little bit of a lip up top, but it should be okay. And now we'll have to fill this gap over here to the door, and then we'll start putting the decking on. Okay, so here's part 3. I got the deck moved up. I got all the top boards pounded on. It's probably not very easy to see in the sun here, but we have some recycled stairs. Goes right up to the door. It's not super square, but it'll do the trick. And then we'll put a top on it here later on. The door opens real nice. Still enough room to put a mat down. And there we go. There's porch part 3.